Hi, the other day, my brother's inkjet printer is acting up like this. He said unable to print 50, what the heck is it? So I look it up from the brother's website, it said here. There are two main reasons. Number one, a foreign object, such as a paperclip or a ripped piece of paper, is stuck in the machine. Or number two, mechanical malfunction. If it's number one, no problem to fix it. Number two, you need a new machine. So I followed the direction on the screen. I removed the paper tray. I took out the paper earlier, and now I'm going through each step showing right there to check the thing inside and check the back and check everything, make sure there's no paper stuck. If any paper, I'm gonna take it out. Here I look inside the machine. There are two green levers, one on each side. I pull the lever according to direction. Double check everything, make sure there's no paper stuck, not even a little tiny piece. Then I open the back cover by squeezing the two levers to the center and opening up. And there's no paper, nothing. And I double check, make sure there's no small pieces of scrap paper or paper clips that stuck remain inside. Nothing, all clear. And I close the cover. Some try and error. I try to hack the system because it's a software problem. Fix it by insert the empty tray and hit the stop button to activate the printer. Now it's computer thinking. You're cheating the computer and putting a no paper inside. Now add some paper into the tray. Insert the tray back into the machine and wait to see if that works or not. If it works, congratulations, you just fixed the problems. There you go, fix it. Fix the paper problems. Keep saying jam, but there's no jam. So the way to fix it is take out the tray, take out the paper, so the computer will be reset. Alright, thanks for watching.